Watch till the end to get a special treat. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Hey guys, Charlie from Tin Man Metalworks here. Let's set up our defaults in Inkscape. So let's just go ahead and open it up. When you first open up Inkscape, you're going to get this window. Personally, I uncheck this because I don't want this to pop up every time, and I just hit New Document. I have my default set up, so how you get this little window to open up, I have my layers window, I have my page size window, I have my stroke and path window, my alignment tools over here, I have my text, and I have my trace bitmap open. Now, if you want these to open like mine do, I mean, usually this window is closed like this, but if you want to set your menu up like mine, you're going to click this little arrow up here, and anything that you click on here is going to show up here. So let's say I wanted to have the export menu pop up there, it would just populate right there. That's how you set up this menu. Down here in the bottom right hand corner, there's this little hamburger menu. You can open that up, and I have Inkscape defaults set, and that is for the color palette down here. Now you can change this up to be whatever you want it to be. Personally, I just like the Inkscape defaults. You can hit the little configure button down here at the very bottom, and this you can change the amount of rows, the size of the icons, of the color icons, and the tile sizes. So I generally only use a couple of different colors in Inkscape, so that's not super important to me. So what is important to me is my storyboard here. I have my storyboard set to 24 inches by 24 inches. Gives me a good sign size to reference. So how you're going to size this is you're going to go up here to File and go down here to Document Properties. Now, inside Document Properties, yours is probably going to be set to millimeters. That's what the default is. I just use inches. So change it to inches here and inches here. This will be your display window. And then I change this to 24 by 24. You can change yours to whatever your preferred size is. Now, if you want to put metadata on your pictures, you can go, or on your drawings, you can go over here and put a title in here. You can put your company name, date, all this stuff, and all this stuff will be transferred over with the file if you send it to someone or something. Now, when you got your default size set, we can close out of that, and let's go over here and do a couple more things. Let's go to File, and then we're going to go down here to Preferences. So let's go to Preferences. So we're going to go down here and we're going to open up the interface window, and we're going to go to Toolbars. Now here is how you can adjust the way your color palette over here looks and up on top looks. So you can change all these. You can also change the size of them if they're too small for you. Me, I'm a blind guy, so I mean, I like mine to be, a good size, but not huge. And then this is the control bar, which is the icons on the top. You can change the size of those too to something that you prefer. Now, your snap controls bar, which is over here on the side, you can do simple, you can do advanced, which brings up the little window up here, or you can do permanent, and permanent will permanently open it on the side here. Now, I don't use this a ton, but sometimes I do. So I just use simple. I hardly ever use that menu for anything at all. I think that's pretty much it for preferences. Now, in order to save this in a way that every time you open up Inkscape, that you're going to get this exact, it's going to remember all this, we're just going to go over here to File. We're going to go Save Template. Name it whatever you want to name it. I'm going to name mine Tin Man. And we're going to click this little box here that says Set as Default Template. Save. Mine's going to say, do you want to overwrite Tin Man, because I already have one. I'm going to say replace. So now I'm going to close out of this window. I'm going to open Inkscape back up. That welcome window didn't pop up again, and my icons are changed to a larger size. My color palette's changed the way I did it, and my artboard is 24 inch by 24 inch. And that is how you set the defaults in Inkscape. Super handy.
What if I told you that mastering CNC plasma sign design and becoming a master at sales and marketing your work doesn't require expensive software or years of experience? You don't need to be a tech wizard. You just need the right tools, the right tutorials, and a proven step-by-step roadmap. I built my CNC plasma business from the garage with a 2-foot by 2-foot plasma table up to a 5,000 square foot full-blown metal fab shop, and now I'm giving away the exact tools and pathway to how I did it. Inside is all of the information I wish I had when I first started 7 years ago. This includes a free Inkscape drawing tutorial video set that teaches you how to draw, design, and prep your files for plasma cutting like a pro, start to finish. And I'm also unlocking access to our CNC Plasma Sales Masterclass, where you'll learn how to turn your hobby into a full-blown, profitable business. When you click the link below, you'll get instant access to our step-by-step Inkscape training, ready to cut SVG sign files, our plasma sign pricing calculator, a free QuickBooks Masterclass to track your sales, our complete CNC plasma business roadmap, and my exclusive member-only content that I will never post on YouTube. Inside, you'll find tons of downloadable files and private video lessons waiting for you. If you're ready to stop guessing, if you're tired of endlessly searching YouTube, and ready to finally build a CNC plasma business that pays you what you're worth so that you can go full-time and quit your day job, you can escape the rat race just like I did, and I'm going to show you how. Click the link below in the description, sign up for free, and I'll see you inside.